about Smart Class Solution. Smart Class Solution is an interactive learning platform that helps teachers to deliver engaging and interactive lessons to their students. It is a comprehensive solution that combines digital content and assessment tools to create an immersive learning experience. It also helps teachers to create engaging lessons, track students' record, and provide personalized feedback. Smart Class Solution also provides teachers with access of library and digital contents, including videos, animation, and interactive activities. We provide two types of Smart Class Solution. First is interactive whiteboard and second is interactive flat panel. So, what is interactive whiteboard? An interactive whiteboard is a large touch-sensitive clean board connected to a computer and enables to users to interact with content as if were a traditional whiteboard. It allows us to draw and manipulate objects on the screen, as well as you can save it and share it to everyone. Now, moving towards the benefits and advantages of interactive whiteboard solution. First is improved collaboration as it allows multiple users to work on the same project and presentation and real time regardless of their location. It enhances presentation as the users are easily able to access their enhanced presentation to the client. It increases the strength of the class and students for the admission. It also helps to increase the NAC and NBA inspection. It increases engagement which provides more dynamic and interactive learning experience to the students. The other benefits are also includes increasing accessibility, enhanced efficiency, reduced cost, digitalization in schools and colleges, paperless classrooms, cost effective. Moving on, now let's look at the usage of interactive whiteboard. Interactive whiteboard are commonly used in education and business settings for presentation, meeting and collaboration. They offer features such as ability to annotate digital material, save and share the content, and interact with other multimedia tools. They are used in a variety of settings including classroom, boardrooms and conference room. They are used to facilitate presentations, brainstorming sessions and other interactive activities. They can also be used to display images, videos and other multimedia content. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.